Before you buy your next car, pause. Because today, mechanics across America are revealing a truth most people never hear. The cars that almost never break, never complain, and never drain your wallet. 8 machines built with one mission: to outlive every other vehicle on the road. These are the cars real mechanics tell their own families to buy. And in 2025, the list has never been more important. In a world where vehicles are becoming more complex, more digital, and more expensive, the biggest question for everyday drivers is surprisingly simple. Which car will last me the longest without destroying my bank account? Mechanics know the answer better than anyone because they see what fails, what survives, and what keeps running quietly past 200,000 miles. These 8 cars stand out for reliability, low maintenance costs, quality engineering, and real-world durability. Each one has a story. Each one has been tested. So let's begin. 1. Toyota Camry, the indestructible legend. If there is one car mechanics trust without hesitation, it's the Toyota Camry. For decades, this sedan has been the gold standard of reliability in the United States. But in 2025, it's more refined, more efficient, and more durable than ever. The heart of the Camry's reputation is its 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, one of the most bulletproof powertrains Toyota has ever built. No turbos, no complicated engineering, just pure time-tested simplicity. Mechanics love it because it can easily hit 250,000 to 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Its 8-speed automatic transmission, tuned for longevity over aggression, rarely fails. The suspension is straightforward and inexpensive to repair. Even the hybrid version is praised for long-lasting battery performance. Inside, Toyota's build quality remains tight and rattle-free even after years of use. And in terms of ownership cost, the Camry remains one of the cheapest sedans to service in America. It's not flashy, it's not trying to be. It's simply the most dependable daily driver you can buy. 2. Honda CR-V, America's most trusted family SUV. There's a reason mechanics constantly recommend the Honda CR-V to families. It's safe, efficient, practical, and unbelievably reliable. The latest CR-V features a refined 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. And while turbo sometimes scares buyers, Honda engineered this one with extremely low failure rates. Many mechanics even call it the cleanest turbo system in the industry. Its fuel economy is excellent, its CVT is surprisingly durable, and the hybrid variant is considered one of the best long-term hybrid systems built in the US market. For a compact SUV, repair costs stay low because Honda parts are affordable and widely available. Mechanics love the CR-V for another reason: accessibility. Nearly every major component, filters, plugs, coils, belts, is easy to reach, making repairs quick and cheap. It's the quiet warrior of the American road, built for families that want a vehicle that will last through years of road trips, commutes, and errands without complaint. 3. Toyota RAV4, the all-purpose SUV that outlives everything. If the CR-V is the reliable family favorite, the Toyota RAV4 is the SUV built to conquer time. Mechanics consistently rank it among the lowest maintenance SUVs in the US. Its naturally aspirated engine, strong 8-speed transmission, and overbuilt drivetrain allow it to thrive past 250,000 miles with very few major issues. But what really sets the RAV4 apart is Toyota's brilliant hybrid system, which has one of the best track records for longevity. Some mechanics estimate the hybrid battery can last 12 to 15 years under normal driving. The interior may not feel ultra-luxurious, but the materials are chosen for durability over fashion. Soft touch where needed, hard plastics where it counts, and everything fits together tightly. For buyers in 2025 who want longevity, capability, and resale value, the RAV4 is one of the safest long-term investments on the market. 4. Honda Accord, the perfect blend of reliability and refinement. Mechanics admire the Honda Accord for the same reason car enthusiasts do. It blends quality engineering with real durability. The Accord's 1.5-liter turbo engine is more reliable than most people expect, and Honda's hybrid powertrain, re-engineered in recent years, has become one of the most dependable in the mid-size sedan segment. Where the Accord shines is chassis engineering. The steering is precise, the ride is balanced, and the platform is incredibly stable even after years of heavy use. It feels premium without being fragile. Mechanics often call the Accord the easiest sedan to recommend because it rarely suffers from catastrophic failures. Repairs are affordable, parts are everywhere, and the car ages gracefully. Drivers who want elegance without expensive maintenance find the Accord to be the perfect solution. 5. Toyota Corolla, the car that never dies. If reliability had a mascot, it would be the Toyota Corolla. It's the car mechanics see every day with 200,000 miles, still running like a polite guest that never misbehaves. The 2025 model keeps that tradition alive with its naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine and one of the most dependable CVTs in the industry. The Corolla's strength is its minimalistic engineering. Nothing unnecessary, nothing experimental. Toyota designed it to survive every environment, from hot deserts to icy winters to the chaotic traffic of American cities. For first-time buyers, students, rideshare drivers, or anyone needing an ultra-low maintenance car, mechanics almost always say the same thing. Just get a Corolla. It's affordable, easy to repair, and nearly impossible to kill. 6. Subaru Outback, the long-distance reliability champion. Mechanics in colder states have a special respect for the Subaru Outback. Why? Because it's one of the few vehicles built from the ground up to handle snow, mud, gravel, and the unpredictable terrain of America's backroads. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system is legendary. Its balanced design reduces strain on components, distributes power efficiently, and offers grip when other vehicles struggle. The Outback's 2.5-liter boxer engine has been refined for decades, resulting in better reliability, lower oil consumption, and easier maintenance than older Subaru generations. Mechanics appreciate its accessibility. Simple spark plug placement, straightforward belts, and suspension components that are designed to be replaced without excessive labor. This is the SUV for people who live active lives, camping, traveling, mountain driving, and who want a vehicle that refuses to give up even after years of adventure. 7. Toyota Tacoma, the unbreakable pickup. Ask any mechanic which truck will last the longest, and you'll hear the same answer almost every time: the Toyota Tacoma. It is, without question, the most durable midsize pickup in the US market. Mechanics constantly praise its bulletproof V6, its strong 4-cylinder option, and its rugged drivetrain that can survive brutal off-road conditions. The Tacoma doesn't rely on complicated electronics or delicate engineering. Instead, it's built like a tank: simple, mechanical, and unbelievably resilient. The 2025 model continues that legacy with modern tech, improved suspension comfort, and better towing capability while maintaining Toyota's reputation for long-term survivability. For buyers who want a truck that holds value, runs forever, and never demands expensive repairs, the Tacoma stands at the top. 8. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 5.3 V8, America's most trusted full-size truck. Mechanics may debate many things, but when it comes to dependable American trucks, the Chevy Silverado 1500 with the 5.3-liter V8 consistently earns respect. The 5.3 V8 engine has one of the best long-term reliability records in the full-size truck segment. It's powerful, capable, and built using a design philosophy focused on longevity over complexity. Mechanics praise it for its predictable maintenance costs, strong transmission options, and abundant parts availability. From towing trailers to hauling equipment, the Silverado simply performs without drama. The cabin may be modern, but the engineering underneath remains rooted in classic American durability. For drivers who need a full-size truck that won't break the bank in repairs, the Silverado is one of the safest choices in 2025. These cars stand out. Across 8 very different vehicles, sedans, SUVs, and trucks, one theme repeats: smart engineering beats flashy technology every time. Mechanics judge cars not by marketing promises, but by what they see under the hood and on the lift. And these cars survive because they follow the golden rules of longevity. Engines with proven designs, transmissions engineered for durability, affordable and widely available parts, simplicity over unnecessary electronics, strong resale value, real-world reliability confirmed by owners and technicians, In 2025, with rising repair costs and the increasing complexity of modern cars, choosing a vehicle that won't surprise you with expensive problems is more important than ever. Which one should you buy? If you want the cheapest car to own long-term, pick the Corolla. If you want the most reliable sedan, choose the Camry. If you want a family SUV, go for the CR-V or RAV4. If you need comfort and elegance, the Accord is perfect. If you live in tough weather, pick the Outback. If you want a truck that will outlive you, get the Tacoma. If you need full-size power with long-term durability, the Silverado 5.3 is your best bet. Every one of these cars is recommended by mechanics because they have earned trust the hard way, through years of real driving, real ownership, and real-world resilience. Car is more than a machine. A reliable car doesn't just save money, it brings peace of mind. It becomes part of your daily life, your journeys, your memories. In a world of rising prices and complicated technology, buying a car that simply works year after year is one of the smartest decisions you can make. So before you sign the paperwork, remember the advice from those who know cars best. Buy a vehicle built to last. Buy a vehicle mechanics trust. And these 8? They are the most trusted cars of 2025.